NSF's NOIRLab is the preeminent U.S. National Center for ground-based nighttime optical and infrared astronomy. The mission of NOIRLab is to enable breakthrough discoveries in astrophysics by developing and operating state-of-the-art ground-based observatories and providing data products and services for a diverse and inclusive community. In March 2022, the NOIRLab's photo expedition set off for the observatories in Arizona, Hawaii, and Chile, where the very clear and dark night sky offers a perfect view of the heavens. The expedition team included the renowned night photographers Petr Horálek and Tomáš Slovinský. Also, planetarium cinematographer and video producer Theofanis Matsopoulos captured full-dome videos, cinematic videos, and pictures of the observatories. The team gathered first at Tucson at the headquarters of NOIRLab. Then they moved to Kitt Peak National Observatory. The observatory is located on Kitt Peak of the Quinlan Mountains in the Arizona Sonoran Desert, 88 kilometers west-southwest of Tucson. With more than 20 optical and 2 radio telescopes, it is one of the largest gatherings of astronomical instruments in the Earth's northern hemisphere. The largest optical instrument at Kitt Peak National Observatory is the Mauna 4-meter telescope. In 1976, the Mauna telescope was used to discover methane ice on planet Pluto. The second largest is the WIN 3.5-meter telescope. It has 66 active optics actuators support of the primary mirror. There are also several 2- and 1-meter class telescopes. The McMath Pierce Solar Telescope. It was for many decades the largest solar telescope in the world. Then the team prepared for the journey to Hawaii. The first stop was the exotic Honolulu. After their short break, they flew for the Hawaii's Big Island. The Mauna Kea Observatories are a group of independent astronomical research facilities and large telescope observatories that are located at the summit of Mauna Kea on the Big Island of Hawaii. Here, 4,200 meters above sea level, in the challenging conditions of the Mauna Kea, the team worked hard to capture more dramatic material, but the low oxygen air and the freezing temperatures made working conditions extremely demanding. The Gemini Observatory is operated by NOIRLab, and it has an 8.1 meter mirror. The Gemini telescope houses a suite of modern instruments, offers superb performance in the optical and near-infrared, and employs sophisticated adaptive optics technology to compensate for the blurring effects of the Earth's atmosphere. After the grueling effort of long days and cold nights of imaging at Mauna Kea, the team turned southwards and traveled to the last stop on their journey, Chile. Cerro Pachón is 10 kilometers southeast of the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory, at an altitude of 2,715 meters above sea level in the foothills of the Andes. The location is exceedingly dry, making it suitable for infrared observations. The air overhead is very stable, yielding excellent seeing. There are currently 2 telescopes commissioned on Cerro Pachón: Gemini South and the Southern Astrophysical Research Telescope. A third, the Vera Rubin Observatory, is under construction. The Rubin Observatory will house a wide-field reflecting telescope with an 8.4 meter primary mirror that will photograph the entire available sky every few nights. Images will be recorded by a 3.2 gigapixel CCD imaging camera, the largest digital camera ever constructed. Then, the team moved nearby at the Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory. The largest telescope at Cerro Tololo is the 4-meter Blanco telescope. It was commissioned in 1974. It's a near twin of the Maya 4-meter telescope on Kitt Peak. The wide field of the Blanco 4-meter telescope uses the wide field camera and the low intermediate resolution spectrograph Cosmos. It is also part of the Dark Energy Survey, a visible and near-infrared survey that aims to probe the dynamics of the expansion of the universe. Other telescopes on Cerro Tololo include the 4 telescopes operated by the SMARTS Consortium. Cerro Tololo also hosts other research projects, providing a platform for access to the Southern Hemisphere for U.S. and worldwide scientific research. NOIRLab's expedition has successfully captured a very wide variety of beautiful visual material, including hundreds of videos for planetarium use, cinematic videos, time lapses, panoramic pictures, and thousands of images of the facilities and the night sky. And for the hard-working team of the astrophotographers, the trip was a perfect opportunity to test and develop their skills under some of the darkest skies on Earth. You can already download the first results from NOIRLab's website.